So we have our GPT 3.5, which is free and which is very powerful, to be very honest. And then we have GPT 4, which I have not purchased, or I don't have subscription. But you can get your own subscription for $20 a month. But I don't need it because GPT 3.5 is very powerful, and honestly, you don't need for GPT 4 for day-to-day basis. So there is that. But yes, we will work on GPT 3.5. But you can just pay $20 a month and have a GPT 4. I don't know why. This. Well, let's go ahead and write a prompt. Let's first remember what was our formula: role, goal, context, and ABA. So let's start with role. Let's say I want a professional body trainer. So I will define a role here. Let's say act as a professional body trainer. Okay. So I have defined a role to our GPT. The first part, our prompt, the role part is done, which was optional. You can give it, or you can't, like, you don't, if you don't want to, you don't have to. But for a good prompt, I will suggest you that give a role to GPT. So act as a professional body trainer. Okay, that was a role. Now the second part. What is your goal? This is must. You have to define your goal. You want to tell GPT, and you have to tell GPT what you want from it, or else there will be no output there. So let's say I want to improve I want to improve my body, and what? Let's say I want to create a weekly I want a weekly uh, okay, weekly gym workout plan, obviously. Okay, I have put space there, like it is giving me red squiggly line, which I don't like. A workout plan. Okay, so I have defined a goal. What now? So that we had a TSL. So what is TSL? In our context, we have a TSL in sub context field. So what is our TSL? TSL is nothing but a tone of that prompt, style of that prompt, and length of that prompt. I don't think I will define length here because I need a good plan, but you can define, let's say you want a plan in 300 words. So you can define that 300 word, I need a plan in 300 words. That's length part of it. But let's define what tone we want in formal tone. Okay, in formal tone, not informal tone, but in a formal tone. Formal tone. Style. Uh, Obviously, I have defined a style also in a formal tone. Okay, what we want to know which machine I use for how many time. Okay, let's okay, how many time, and number of sets. Sets. Okay, we have defined that act as a professional body trainer. I want to improve my body. I want to create a weekly gym workout plan in a formal tone. Which machine I should use? Okay, I should use for how many times and number of sets. And give me, let's put a give me number of sets. So obviously this will give me all the information which I need, but I want it into a CSV file, which is comma separated file. So I will define as a CSV file. But there is one more thing which is missing. I have not defined like what I am, what weight I am, and I'm male, female, binary, non-binary, transgender, or XYZ, as you can see. So for better result, let's define me or define yourself. Let's say, okay, let's first see this what output this gives. So this is giving me like day by day basis of sets, reps, and everything. I accidentally obviously clicked enter, so it has given me exercise, machine equipments, number of sets, and repetition. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and everything. But let's copy this file, and instruction has been given here for everything. Let's let's copy this prompt and let's add that information and let's see. Uh, okay, there was this typo, not fine, but in file. Uh, and FILE, and let's define myself. I am 26-year old. I'm just publicly telling my age. Well, I'm 26-year old. What is my years old? And what is my weight? Let's go for 98 kgs for US users. I don't know how to change this metric for you, but yeah, I am at 78 kgs and I'm a male. I am a male. So let's go ahead and see whether we get same output or a different output. Okay, let's enter this. Okay, it is giving me a workout plan. Okay, gym workout plan, day exercise, machine equipment, number of sets, and repetition. Okay, so as you can see, if we go ahead and compare, let's see if there is any difference. Okay, presses, machine, and everything like pull down, machine, lats, pull down 4 to 8. Okay, there is difference. Let's say here in reps there are difference 4, 10, and 12. If it is saying that I have to do 4 sets of 10, 12, 4 sets of 10 and 12 of lat, chest, and we have to do shoulders, 3 sets, 10 to 12 reps. Let's go ahead and check for this output. Okay, now here there's a change. After defining my age and after defining my weight, the number of repetition went down. So it is actually optimizing this workout plan for my age and for my weight. So this is how you can give this prompt to GPT, and it can give you a great result. In next video, we will talk about how we can do task splits and how we can format this thing and how we can actually perform a more optimized version of prompt engineering. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, peace and take care and subscribe.